new bits for the van. Let's see what we've got. Instructions on the bag. Aha. Check video, visit the website. Sounds like a plan.
And yeah, you gotta get to the site, so it's pretty straightforward.
Okay, looks quite simple enough to install. Peel the label. Yellow tag on the other side. This is if you've got the yellow tag ones. And then there's a couple of little silver clips. The spikes go on the same side as the wind deflector itself. Straightforward. Grab a screwdriver. This will just help push the clips into place. In the video on the Heko or Heko website, the guy uses a plastic trimming tool. I don't have one of them, so have a go at this. Again, the spike goes the same side as the wind deflector. Sure that's in the right place. Try the windows. That looks alright actually. Chuck the other clip in. For the best. It doesn't look too bad. We'll do the other side now. Fingers. Actually, it looks decent. It looks not too bad. Let's have a wee step. So what's the verdict? Well, I reckon that was pretty easy to install actually, and I'm not particularly technical, but I reckon it's pretty easy to do for almost anyone. So I've had them on the van for about 3 weeks now, and yeah, highly recommended. They're absolutely fantastic, especially if you're sleeping downstairs with the pop top down. You can open those windows just a little smidgen and just allows a little bit of air in, and it really helps with the condensation. I was so impressed with the amount of condensation that was on the last time I slept in the van. So Definitely saves a bit of time in the morning and stops the condensation, and yeah, highly recommended. I'll put a link in the description below where I bought mine. Cheers, see you in the next video.